Hello student, in this video we can discuss mid-term exam 2023. The subject is international relation. An important question that given in the paper: define international relation. Question number 2: what is different between realism and new realism approach? Write down the scope of international relations. Question number 2: as a long question, write a complete note on idealism approach and briefly explain the concept of nationalism. This is the paper of international relation in midterm exam at the university conduct. So, three questions from the short and two long question that is discussed with the detail with the 6 and 6 marks. I hope you like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can see it again